The mirror technique is very powerful for improving clarity, confidence, and body language, especially if you want to become a teacher, public speaker, or if you are trying to learn any language or skills. This technique is very useful if you implement in your day-to-day life. What is the mirror technique? Mirror technique means stand in front of the mirror. Look at yourself. Try to make eye contact in the mirror. Don't look down because this builds your confidence. And in this way, you have to become both, like the speaker and the audience. Step number 5 is practice for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Friends, it's not important that you have to practice for hours and hours throughout the day. But it is very important to be consistent, whether it could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. Doesn't matter. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching my channel Learn English with Babita. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you mirror technique. So mirror technique is very important for improving your English or spoken language. So make sure must watch this video till the very end because this video is going to be very useful for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually friend, the mirror technique is very powerful for improving clarity, confidence and body language, especially if you want to become a teacher, public speaker, or if you are trying to learn any language or skills. So at that time, this technique is very useful if you implement in your day-to-day life. So let me explain it in a very simple and easy way. What is the mirror technique? Mirror technique means stand in front of the mirror. Look at yourself. Try to make eye contact in the mirror. Don't look down because this builds your confidence. And in this way, you have to become both, like the speaker and the audience. So here I'm going to share with you how to do mirror technique step by step. So step number first is stand or sit comfortably in front of the mirror. Relax yourself, be comfortable and relax your shoulders. Make your eye contact in the mirror. Try to express your thought, your ideas. And first and foremost, you have to appreciate yourself. So now step number second. Step number second is start with simple sentences. Speak slowly and clearly. For example, hey Babita, good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing so well. Do you know, today I'm feeling so contentment. I'm truly happy today because I've done my practicing in English with the people and it was really mind-blowing conversation with them. Like this way you have to talk to yourself in front of the mirror. To be very honest guys, if you are doing this practicing, you'll be loving yourself. You'll be admiring yourself. And never forget to admire, respect and value to yourself. It's really very imperative. Step number third is watch your mouth movement. Check it out. Like, are you opening your mouth or not? Are you speaking slow or fast? Are you feeling comfortable or not? Are you smiling or looking nervous? And if you are able to figure it out, try to correct yourself at the same time. How can you correct yourself when you will be practicing in that? So try to practice each day and every day. Whether it could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, doesn't matter. But you have to embark yourself. So now here is step number 4. Number 4 is use hand gestures. You have to use your hand. You have to use your hands, your fingers. Act like you are teaching to the students. Like you are standing in front of the students and you are expressing your thought, and try to say with them, "Hello students, good morning. So today I will teach you about confidence. Why confidence is very important in our day-to-day life. Do you have any idea for that? Yeah, if you have ideas, try to expose your thought a bit so that I can know about your thought process. So like this way you have to act. You have to act like you are teaching to the students. You are standing in front of the students. You are in the classroom. This way you have to use your hand gestures. So here I am talking about step number 5th. Step number 5th is practice for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Friends, it's not important that you have to practice for hours and hours throughout the day. But it is very important to be consistent. Whether it could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Doesn't matter. At least you are appearing yourself each day and every day. And that matters a lot. So try to be consistent at least for 5 minutes. Take any topic. It could be any topic like mother, father, home, environment, any topic. And you have to just express your thought. At lastly, I would love to share a very important tip for you. So first is take one deep breath before starting and relax yourself, talk to yourself. Second is don't judge yourself. Third is don't judge your mistakes. Fourth is focus on clarity and confidence. Fifth is do smile like this way because your smile matters a lot. If you're feeling happy, contentment, pleasure, then everything is going to be very easier for you. So try to be happy, do smile, and move in your life beat by beat. So thank you so much guys for watching me and listening me. This is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.